We'll be using Wireshark to analyze the network traffic, but not only analyzing, it is useful as a, basically useful, yes, it is the properly it will be using as a analysis as well. But people think that it is only a sniffing tool. That means sniffing means only monitoring, okay, only to monitor. No, it can, we can analyze so many things by using Wireshark. Okay, so people will be using Wireshark just like anything. Okay, so if you are a hardcore network guy, right? So you can use just like anything, and you can grab so much information out of that one. Okay. So whatever the browser provides the particular network metrics, right? So it is nothing. Okay. So in wireframe, so you have to understand that thing. Okay. So here if you see from different networks. Okay. So whatever the networks are active, see it is already analyzing. See over here in the graph it is showcasing. See, because I'm using Wi-Fi. Okay. So already it is started analyzing. Whenever I open this one, it started analyzing whatever the network packets that are passing across my Wi-Fi. Okay, so see, it is capturing. Okay, so from a local system, loopback means what? From a local system. Okay, so here also it is capturing. So from other things which are related to my local system and all, okay, it is capturing all those particular things. Okay, so this is the first screen that we'll be seeing whenever you open this particular Wireshare. Okay, and again here itself you can always capture some information. Okay, you can always filter the information, just like only TCP if I want. Okay, only TCP protocols. Okay, wherever the request is going to through TCP only if I want. Okay, or UDP if I want, or through a port number. Okay, so through HTTP port number only if I want, 80. Okay, port number I want, or 443 port number only I want. So I can always use those particular filters over here, and I can always capture. Okay, that is the particular thing. In the first step itself I can always do. So because I'm using Wi-Fi, right, I'll be double clicking on this one, so that whatever from my the services that are using Wi-Fi. Okay, so what your application is using Wi-Fi only right now. Okay, on my system. So all the data it will be capturing. See, if I open this one, see so much data. So many requests and responses that are receiving. So many packets are being transferred, and so many responses are getting from servers. Because why? See how many applications I have opened. Of course, this is a this paint application is a paint text application is not using internet for suppose. It may be also using internet, okay, internally, but all the browser related things, so many things, go to meeting, okay. So all these things I have opened, right? So based on that one, it is showcasing all the particular things over here. Okay, that is the particular thing. Here, each and every packet, okay, whatever the packets that are being sent, okay, all those things will be showcased. So here, see the number, okay, it will be showcasing the time within, this is the milliseconds, I think. Okay, so the time in milliseconds it will be showcasing, and this is the source IP address and the destination IP address. Okay, source IP address and destination IP address from where the request is going, okay, and from where request is going to which destination server. So source server IP address and destination server IP address will be showing, and the protocol it is using TCP, UDP, okay, like that. See how many things are being happened. Okay, we cannot understand. Okay, so internally so many things will be happening. Okay, so many on the internet. Okay, so many packets will be transferred to the particular servers and all. Okay, and length of the particular packets. Okay, length means the actual size of the particular packets and information. Okay, so which from which port to which port it is going. Okay, whether we have a ACK request or SNAC request. Okay, so all those particular things it will be showcasing over here. Okay, this is what we'll be seeing in the main page. And here, what? Let me stop this one. Okay, if I want to stop, what I can do, I can always click on this red button. Okay, red icon. If I click on this red icon, then it will be stop capturing the packets. You see now it is stop. Okay, so now if I click on any of the particular things, any of the particular uh, packets. Okay, so what are the packet it may be? So for example, if I click over here, if I click on this particular packet, okay, TCP thing, okay, so where from my port number 630.622.443, okay, as an acknowledgement, my system has sent an, this is my system's IP address, okay, it has sent an acknowledgement to the particular server, the server 68.2183, okay, to this server. I don't know which server it is, it has sent. So now if I click over here, see in the bottom in the left pane, we do have the frame, okay, total number of frames we do have, okay. So if you click, you can always find the particular information over here. Okay, all this particular thing. So we cannot identify and we cannot read all these things because it is taking more time. Okay. So like this, the page type of information will become, it will be showcasing, and here Ethernet information. Okay, also it will be showcasing. And more importantly for us, Internet protocol versions. Okay, so if you click over here, okay, it will be showcasing this particular thing. Okay, so what is the version 4 it is using? Okay, so under header length is 20 bytes, it is saying. Okay, total length 1500 it is saying. Okay, so all the particular details you should be understand, you should able to understand. So all the particular details it will be shown. So source address, what is that? Okay, this is my source address, is my client, is my IP. Destination address is this one. Okay, like that, that particular information will be showing. And here if I click over here, see, transmission control protocol. Okay, so this is the nothing but the, what is this by saying, what is this? What do you understand? What is this? It is just like our response header. Okay, so what is the source port? Okay, what is the destination port? It is showcasing the TCP segment length. Okay, the segment number. Okay, all those particular things it will be showcasing over here. Okay, all those particular things will be showcasing over here. Okay, and in the right pane, right, it will be showcasing the particular data, whatever the data has been transferred. See, the data it will be showcasing over here. So this is mean. Okay, whenever it is a plain text is there, whenever if you have a plain text, okay, it can always show that it is a plain text. So let me take an example over here. Okay, so let me take an example and explain. I will have a website called, see, a unsecured website, okay, which is using HTTP. Let me take my Firefox, not in Chrome. Due to cache, it may not be available. Okay. The name of the particular website is something is there. Okay. Test PHP dot vuln web. Let me check whether it is existing or not. .com. Yeah, great. Okay. So this is the particular website. Okay. If I say, sorry. Let me run this one. Okay, anyhow, I'm closing that one and again I was accessing. Let me run again. Yeah. So if you click over here, see, it will be asking you to save this one. Okay. So it's always a good practice to save. Why? Because if you save whatever the packets that you have received, right, all those things will be saved as a PCA PCAPNG. Okay, as a PCAPNG extension, it will be saved. So what is the use actually? So if at all, if you send this particular file, okay, again you can always open. Okay, you can always open and analyze the particular things over here. If you open this one and again if you save that one, if you can always open and you can always analyze, that is one thing. Or else you can send the file to other people. Okay, so they can also analyze whatever the packets that you have received and all in your organization. For example, say, okay, so I am getting those things. Okay, whenever if you have identified something, so what you can do, you can always send it to other people so that they will be accessing that one and they can check. Okay, so it is always a good thing to save this one. PCAPNG as the extension. Okay, you will be having the file. Okay, you can always, it will be opened only in Wireshark extension. You can always open that file in the Wireshark extension and you check that. So now what I'll be doing, I'll be stopping this one basically without saving only. Okay, I'm continuing again. So now what I'll be doing, I'll be closing this again. Test php.vulnweb.com. Okay, test php dot, yeah, vu, yeah, this is my, yeah. So this is the thing that I'm looking for. Okay, so once if I open this one, okay, so I do have a demo credentials for this one. Okay, so if I say test over here, test as the username and if I give password, okay, so and if I log in, see, it will be showing the information. Okay, it will be showing some information. So now let me try to change this information as well. Okay, so name is there, right? So name, what I'll be doing, name, some name. Okay, so credit card information let it be. So ABC, some phone number, Okay, so some address, no address I'll be saying, okay, and I'll be updating this information. Okay, I'll be updating this information. Okay, if I refresh this one. Yeah, it has been changed. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'll be going into my Wireshark. Okay, so it would have captured my thing over here. Okay, it would have captured my thing. So what I'll be doing over here now, I'll be filtering over here. Okay, now I'll be filtering because I don't want all the other things. Okay, whatever, this is a unsecured website. What is this? This is a unsecured website. I have used HTTP. See, there is no security for this one. This is a HTTP. Okay, so this is the kind of things that you have to find out. Okay, so if I say HTTP over here, okay, HTTP, and if I search this one over here, see, I have captured, I have got the particular things over here. Okay, see, the first thing that I have got is that it has sent a request. Okay, it has sent a request. This is my source IP address. Okay, IPv6 IP address. This is and destination's IPv6 IP address. Okay, so it has used a protocol OSCSP. Okay, and it has sent a request and it has got a response from here onwards. So here it is sending the actual get request. Okay, and again we do have HTTP. Okay, as a protocol, HTTP protocol only it is using it everywhere. So here our interest is to see wherever post request is there, right? Let us check those things first of all. Okay, wherever post request, see here it is a post request. Okay, so whenever we have logged to userinfo.php page, so this is the particular page. So userinfo, this is the particular userinfo. The page we are in what userinfo.php page. So let us analyze this particular page. Okay, how to analyze? If I click on this one, okay, if I click on this particular thing, see, I will be having the particular thing over here. Okay, so if you go over here, Internet Protocol version 4 only will be using network length, all this information will be showcasing over here. Okay, and again, transmission control protocol, if you see, okay, so what is the port number it is using from here also you can always find, and from destination port 80 it is using. Okay, so like that it is showcasing information. So we need prominently which kind of information we need prominently this hypertext transfer protocol information. See, whatever the header response we will be seeing right in the browser, the same thing it will be providing over here. See, this is the post response, user info .php. Okay, so it is the HTTP request it is saying, and the host is this is the particular one it is saying the user agent. Okay, all those things as we have seen our HTTP header right in our browser. We have seen in our browser. See, like that only it is also showcasing the HTTP response, all those things, user agent, accept, what language it is using, encoding, okay, content type, all those things we have seen right in our browser. Okay, so like that it is showcasing all the particular things here as well. Okay, and again, if you see over here HTML form, okay, so whatever the HTML form things are there, see, username, test, password, test, okay, it has already recognized, not only over here, see, because it is unsecured, right? So here the actual page contents it will be showcasing. See, here across the headers, whatever the header we have got, all those information is showcasing over here. And apart from that, if you come to the last over here, see, it is clearly decrypting. Okay, so it is in the plain text, username, test, pass, text. Okay, just like how here also it is showcasing, and in the output also, wherever it is sending the packets, here also password, username, test, password, test is showing. Okay, so this is how it will be. Intruders can easily access from a unsecured website because it is not secured. Right? It is not using HTTPS everywhere. Okay, anywhere it is not using HTTPS. Okay, all the time it is using HTTP only. That's why you can always see as test and test as the username and password over here. Okay, so that is the thing that you have to analyze as a SOC analyst. What you have to do, you have to identify this type of traffic whenever you are receiving HTTP traffic. You can always identify and you can always check the particular details. Okay, that is the thing that you have to do. And again, if you see the options over here, so you will have several options, just like how we can always stop it. Okay, if you want to stop it, you can always stop capturing packets. Okay, and again, if you want to restart, either you can always restart it from over here. And if you click over here, here also it will be restarting. It will start capturing packets again. Okay, and again you can always save it to a particular folder. Okay, open. You can always from the folder you can always open a captured file, just like how you save the file. You can always open that one. Okay, and again if you click over here, you can always capture file directly from the particular file where you have. Okay, and these are the particular. You can always go to the previous packet. If you click over here, see, it will go to the previous packet or to the next packet like this. Okay, so all these options you can always find out, and the more importantly, here also you'll be finding all the options. Okay, in the Wireshark menu also you'll be finding all the options, edit options, view options. These are all the regular options, and the same options again you can always see over here as well. Okay, and here also the capture options, just like how it is showcasing over here. Okay, and the particular here itself. Okay, on the browser. Again, here also you'll be finding start, stop, restart. Okay, capture filters also you can always do over here. And the most important things are analyze and statistics. If you go over here, see, you can always display filters. All the filters will be displayed over here. Okay, see, just like how I have told you, right? So you can always access a particular IP address, ip.addr equals to this particular IP address you can always use. Or else if you have an Ethernet address, you can always use this one. Okay, with IPv6 address, or else TCP or UDP you want. Okay, or else HTTP, just like how we have used HTTP. This is the file expression. This is the filter name. Okay, these filters are already given by Wireshark itself. The most beautiful thing is that you can write your own filters again. Okay, if you want to maintain some more filters, okay, you can always click on this plus button. Okay, and here you can always write your own filter and you can always search accordingly. Okay, like that also you can always do. Okay, this is the thing that you can always do. Okay, so this is an important tool. Okay, for analyzing network traffic. That's why I'm explaining. Okay, so this is an important tool where you have to understand. So earlier I have shown you multiple times, but only for a particular thing. Okay, only for snack request I have shown you. Okay, but immediately I have closed. But as a particular software, I have not explained you. Okay, so that is the thing that I'm explaining. Okay, so display macro filters, these are similar to that one only. And if you come to the statistics, right? So capture file properties. If you click over here, okay, so all the file properties, okay, so which the name of the particular PCA PNG file, okay, that's what we have discussed, right? What is its length, okay, and what is the encrypted format, okay, this is the hash encrypted technique, okay, so that is the particular thing you're doing. What is the first packet? What is the last packet? Okay, so what is the hardware it is using from which machine? Okay, so all those things, all those particular statistics, it will be showcasing over here. Okay, so and again, if you go over here and if you check, okay, so protocol hierarchy, if I check over here, see what is the protocol hierarchy. Okay, so first of all, it is showing the Ethernet frame packets. Okay, Internet Protocol version 6, then transmission control protocol, then HTTP protocol, transport layer. Okay, so like this on hierarchical basis, it will be showcasing all the particular things over here. Okay, that is the thing. Again, it is showcasing, and if you see over here, endpoints, conversations. So what is the conversation that has happened from this IP address, IPv6 address to a particular thing? 36 packets have been transferred. Okay, so 25 bytes total packets, 6 many packets. Okay, so it has been transferred. So like that, this particular information on Ethernet. Okay, this is showing on the Ethernet. So like that, it will be showcasing similarly for IPv4. Okay, IPv6. Okay, so TCP, UDP. For each and every protocol, you can always check over here. Okay, so and most importantly, I want to show you this one, IO graphs. So it will be indicating the particular graphs, okay, wherever it is going to the peak, okay, or it is having any dips over here, okay. All those things you can always analyze by using this particular graph. So in the x-axis, it will be showing the seconds, and in the y-axis, it will be showing the particular packets, okay. So at this particular second, it has got these many packets like that, it will be showing. Okay, so that is the thing that you have to understand. Go through this one. Okay, so try to analyze packet length. Okay, if you click over here. Okay, so what is the C? Clearly, what is the range from 0 to 19 as the 0 to 19 as the packet size. Okay, so these are no nothing is there. Okay, so from 40 to 79, this you will have so many packets. Okay, from 80 to 159, you will have so many packets. Like this, it will be showcasing the packets as well. So this is a tool, so where you can always analyze the data. Okay, where you can always sniff and analyze the network traffic mainly. Okay, so that you will be having a fair area, just like how we have seen the clear example, right? So like that for each and everything, if you want to analyze HTTP traffic, if you want to analyze based on a port number, okay, you can always analyze by using this particular Wireshark software. Okay, it will be very useful.